Alright, well welcome back. So, Ylands 0.10 update Clever Coding is finally out. There is a video we could watch, we'll do that in a second. There's some visual scripting, the editor has been improved, or changed and improved. Flying pets, you can now get pets to accompany you while traveling across the islands. They are linked to your account and can be summoned in any game. So there you go. You can get your very first pet by completing the new tutorial. If you go to the workshop, there's a new tutorial download. It was posted like 6 hours ago, just like this was, apparently. But I didn't see this 6 hours ago, so that's nice. Others can be purchased at the store or even found in game. So that's pretty neat. This, however, is possible only when playing on official dedicated servers. So there you have that. And then once you claim them, you will be able to summon them in any game as well. So they're probably not the same pets that you can buy, okay, or the free one. I think the free one is a flying pig, but and found would be the parrot. So I'm curious what's purchasable. We'll check that out here in a second. The new tutorial, we're introducing a new short, linear, and user-friendly tutorial that would teach you game basics in just a few minutes. At the end, you'll get your own pet. Vendor bundles. Vendors now sell bundles, useful items and resources grouped in large stacks, which can become helpful, especially later in the game, when you want to build something without having to spend a lot of time gathering resources. That is awesome. I understand clay is more dominant as well, and I'm not going to read all these. There's just too much to list. Oh my goodness. But I'll link the link down in the section below this video, and you can read it for yourself if you don't know how to get to this. So I'll make it easy for you. There's also now a medical bag which can contain your healing supplies, which is cool. The big wooden door. Now the big wooden door was already in the game, so I assume this is more options. The big iron door, which is new. A pet cage, a parrot statue, Easter Islands parrot statue. So there's 2 parrot statues, and some popcorn. That's interesting. So now you can use corn for something. I wonder how you do that though. We'll figure that out in game. There's a bunch of fixes. A bunch of fixes. If you see all this, oh my goodness. I'm not going through this. Like I said, there's just way too many. Hopefully sharks is in this. I saw sharks at one point. Sharks are spawned on the shore. I don't know what that means. Maybe that means I can't fly above water, which would be great. So yeah, a bunch of stuff, and we have a couple of comments, and look at me, I'm right there. But alright, we'll come back and we'll go look at something else, okay? Alright. Alright, here we go. Update 0.10 Clever Coding. Let's watch this.
Hey there fellow islanders, and welcome to this brand new video dev diary. Today we're going to talk about update 0.10, the one that we've just released.
It's called Clever Coding, but there's much more to it than just scripting in editor.
Yes, there is. See for yourself. The main feature of this update is the visual scripting, but the first thing you'll probably notice when you open the editor is that it, well, looks different.
We've changed the visuals to match the rest of the game. Most of the functionality remains the same, but there are already some improvements.
Yeah, and we won't stop there. There are things planned for the future that will make the editor even better.
Yeah, that all look different.
But this update is not only about the visuals. Through the editor, you can access visual scripting. Every game object can have its own script and perform actions.
And let's not forget about the powerful game logic objects that let you do so much more.
With scripting, you can now use things like variables, perform operations with logical operands, strings, objects.
This is so cool.
Yeah, to give you some idea of how things work, we created 3 short games that you can check out right now.
And we are working on a wiki which will contain a lot of useful information.
Yes, so give the visual scripting a try and see for yourself how easy it is to create something cool. Do you feel lonely at times? Then get a pet.
We are starting with flying ones. Some can
That's
be bought at
probably
our
the one you
store,
get after the
while others
tutorial.
can be found in the game.
Yes, they are just cosmetic objects, so they won't be able to help you with anything, but they are fun and you can get your first one just by completing the new tutorial.
And notice the
Alex has
campsite.
already mentioned that there is
And
a
he got a Gray
tutorial
Parrot.
that ends with a nice reward. So, even if you know the game very well, it should definitely be worth trying it out.
The vendors, in addition to other things, now sell bundles, large groups of stacked objects that will help you especially later in the game when you're
Crossbowman's
building
gear,
large
knight's
structures
gear.
and you don't want to spend a lot of time
Whole
looking
set,
for
huh?
basic resources.
You might like to know that
expensive.
we are now fully moving into the polishing phase. As a result, we've already squashed some long-standing annoying bugs.
That's a shark.
To find out what bugs we fixed, what improvements we made, and what features we implemented,
gonna be a
follow
parrot.
the link below this video that will take you to the changelog.
Don't forget to let us know what you think, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!
Looks awesome. Y'all let me know. So right down here is the changelog, which is essentially what we're in anyway. So you can check that out. But that's also another way you can get to it. Or you can click on the link down below. Alright, well we'll be right back. And I'll see you in game. Alright, well welcome back. So here we are. It's called Season 1 Exploration World. And it's hosted by me, Stout Crusher. I don't know why it's not saying the whole name that I wanted. But it's all good. Whatever. It works. So we can join. And again, the password is capital P A, lowercase r r o t. And then you can join the game. And it will upload and all that. And you can click the official over there on the right. And go to the official servers. Go ahead and find your parrot. There doesn't seem to be anyone in those games, which is crazy to me. I don't know why no one is over there trying to gather their pet and be the first to have a parrot, because I'm pretty sure the flying pig is the one you get from the other. So here we are, we're in the game. This is Spawn right here, and this is Hendrik. This is my alt. He has the cube, and in case we need it for anything on the server. So I have nothing. Broken protective barrier. But alright, well come join us and we'll see you in game. Alright, y'all take care. See ya.